Ever spread your Python code into multiple files and suddenly imports stop working? Or you find a special import that never found wherever on internet? I'm gonna show you 3 complementary tricks to overcome all of this in this video. Don't miss the last is overall. Trick number 1. A module is just a file has Py extension. That means you can import it in Python script. Okay, we have this mess code in main program and I'm gonna clean it using module. Create a file and name it module.py. Let's cut this code from main script and paste it in module script. Right now we should import it in main program by import followed by module name, which is file name but no extension. This means Python gives the access to codes in module file to access it. Let's write module name.grade function. When I click on run, display the grade. This means this module helps to access the grade function in the module file. Then the output variable is being printed on the screen as grade is A. Alternatively, we may write from module import grade function. We no longer need this and we can get grade. Most case modules used in bigger projects, but it's better to practice it. Trick number 2 is the package and init file. To understand usage of this special file init, let's create a new directory and name it util. Then move this module file in new directory util. If you try to import the module, this returns error. To tell Python this directory is a package, you create a file and name it _init_.py and put in the directory of util. Right now you can write from util import module and then access grade by using module. If I run again, alternatively you may write import util.module as mod. This mod is an alias name, you can choose any you want. Also access grade by mod.grade function. Let me change value and run. The grade is B. Don't worry about init file, because on Python 3.3 version and above, you don't need init file. Python make recognition to itself by use pycache and run script faster on next compile. Trick number 3 is the mystery of built-in variable name with the main value. To understand this, let's say you want to update the grade function, like add a new grade. Between 60 and 50, you set it to D. Of course, after update, you need to test a function like invoke this function with 55 as an argument. You see, the grade is D. We may add this is testing message. But if you back on main script and you run it, you get also testing message and result. To solve this, let's back to module file and add if statement with __name __ equal to _ main __. Then cut the test code lines and paste it in this block. If I hit on the run button, this works well and display the message tests. But when you back on main and run again, you get the required result only. This means the block of code executed only when you run the script. In sum up, the reason why in most tutorials you find special import that not found wherever on internet, the secret is module. You got why in almost pro projects there is __init__ Python file. Moreover, the most Python script uses class app like API, Flask, Django, etc. are using special variable name with the main value in their program to make sure app starts only the direct run that script. Ciao ciao. If this video helped you, subscribe and share this video.